Hey everyone, it's Julie from Main Street USA Studios. Stay tuned for all the latest news from the Disneyland Resort. This week, the Disney Junior Dance Party is officially closed. New show coming to DCA. Boardwalk Pizza and Pasta testing AI. Jolly Holiday is back. Avengers Assemble Stunt show coming to an end. The Jonas Brothers are taking part in the 70th, construction updates, and more. First up, DCA's Disney Junior Dance Party has officially ended its run. Last Sunday was the last show. The closure was confirmed this week, with Disney stating that a brand new show will take its place later this year. No further details have been released, but given the popularity of Disney Junior characters, we expect an exciting update soon. Maybe some of the newer Disney Junior shows will join the show. The Jonas Brothers are officially recording the theme song for Disney's 70th anniversary. While details are still under wraps, the song is expected to celebrate the magic and history of Disneyland for this special milestone anniversary. We're wondering what the song might sound like and whether the brothers will perform it live at a special event so we can see them. Disneyland's 70th anniversary officially begins on July 17th of this year, so the next few months will probably be full of more details and other surprises. It'll definitely be a fun time to visit the parks. And AI is coming to Disneyland. Boardwalk Pizza and Pasta in DCA is currently testing AI self-checkout. This new system allows guests to scan and pay for their food at kiosks, aiming to speed up service and reduce wait times. It's kind of a cool system. We thought it would be like self-checkout at grocery stores, but it's more like you place the items and the system detects them. No scanning. And it's pretty neat actually. We like interacting with the cast members though, so it's a good and bad change for us. A reminder that Jolly Holiday Bakery Cafe reopened last week. We didn't see too many changes to the exterior or interior, although we did hear that some of the closure was for the nighttime shows like lighting, maybe on the roof. But the pastry case inside did get updated. And of course we love the cute Donald macaroon, the new item among a few other new menu items. Donald is really getting some attention at Disneyland lately, with the, we think, permanent Donald macaroon. And that now Donald is the star of the Storytellers Cafe buffet coming soon, replacing Mickey. New this week, we learned that the Avengers Assemble Stunt show at Avengers Campus will have its final performance in April. The action show featuring Spider-Man, Black Widow, and more has been a fan favorite since Avengers Campus opened, but Disney has confirmed that it will be retiring soon. No word on a replacement yet, but we'll keep you posted. We expect there will be a replacement show somewhere in Avengers Campus, especially with the upcoming Avengers expansion. Given how popular the franchise is, it seems likely that Disney will add something new. The current Avengers Campus is already one of the most character-heavy areas in the park, possibly second only to Toontown or Main Street USA, Town Square area, with heroes constantly walking around or hosting meet and greets. And it's officially festival season at Disneyland, with plenty of exciting events happening right now and even more on the way. Let's do a quick festival check-in. As we head into April, the Food and Wine Festival at DCA is in its final weeks. It officially ends on April 22nd. So if you haven't had a chance to try the festival booths, now's the time. And then Season of the Force kicked off yesterday, March 28th, at Disneyland Park, bringing new Star Wars themed food, merchandise, and experiences now through May 11th. We're also very excited for May the 4th. And right after that, Pixar Fest is set to take over both parks starting April 26th, right after Food and Wine ends. While the Pixar celebration will be happening resort-wide, you'll find Pixar Fest a bit more present at DCA, with all the Pixar-themed rides, Pixar Pier, and the characters. And then this leads up to the biggest milestone of the year we've been talking about, Disneyland's 70th anniversary, which officially begins on July 17th. With all these major events happening back to back, it's going to be a packed season at the parks. And closure and construction updates starting in Disneyland. It's a Small World reopens April 25th. Indiana Jones will also reopen on April 25th. Great Moments with Mr. Lincoln and the Disney Gallery both remain closed. Meet Tinkerbell and Pixie Hollow has no reopening date. The Matterhorn will close April 28th. The Enchanted Tiki Room also closing April 28th. Dumbo the Flying Elephant will have a brief closure April 22nd, reopening April 24th. And Mad Tea Party closes May 5th with no reopening date yet. Over in DCA, Redwood Creek Challenge Trail is now closed, reopening April 11th. The Sorcerer's Workshop and Anna and Elsa's Royal Welcome both close on April 28th, likely for some updates in that part of the animation building. They're both kind of on the same side of that Circle Vision lobby. Soarin' closes briefly on April 28th, reopening May 2nd, so the California film can be switched back to the Soarin' Around the World film.
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.